pumpkin roll with cream cheese icing. I'm going to add 3 large eggs, 2/3 cup of pumpkin, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla to my mixing bowl, and I'm going to mix all of those ingredients up really well. Now I'm going to add 3/4 cup of flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, along with my spices, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon cloves, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon ginger. And I'm going to mix those all up really well. Now I'm going to pour my batter into a parchment lined jelly roll pan. I'm going to use a rubber spatula to spread the batter out evenly over the pan. Now I'm going to give it a little shake and stick it in a 375-degree oven for 13 to 15 minutes, or until the top springs back when it's pressed down. Now I'm going to remove it from the pan and set that pan aside. And starting from the smaller end, I'm going to leave the parchment paper on and roll up my pumpkin roll. Then I'm going to set it aside to cool. While that's cooling, I'm going to make the filling. 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to mix those up really well. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. And I'm going to mix that all together. Once my pumpkin roll is cool, I'm going to unroll it and separate it from the parchment paper. It's okay if the pumpkin roll splits a little bit. It's better to let it cool as much as possible. Don't be impatient and unroll it, or you will get a split. In this case here, the split will be hid once the pumpkin roll is rolled up. Just spread the filling inside of the pumpkin roll, and once you get it all in there, just roll it back up. Now I'm going to sprinkle powdered sugar all on the outside of my pumpkin roll, covering it completely. Now I'm going to cut off the ends so that they are even. Now to store my pumpkin roll, I'm going to wrap it up really well in plastic wrap, several layers, making sure to cover the ends also. And this will keep in the refrigerator for 3 days or in the freezer for 2 to 3 months. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.